This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer 25XLW is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, slide-out, TV, stovetop burner, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom. This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer 25XLW is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500XD Dual Wheel Cutaway chassis and is powered by a 2.0L 4-cylinder 208 HP turbo diesel engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.